Hello children, welcome to today's class. Previous classes you learnt the poem Wake Up. You learnt how to sing the poem and the pronunciation of every word in the poem and also meanings of the hard words in the poem Wake Up. So, in today's class, you are going to learn two exercises from the poem Wake Up. In that, the very first exercise, that is antonyms. What is the meaning of antonym? Antonyms means opposite. Antonym means opposite. Opposite means vyatirekam. For an example, see here, wake up. Wake up. Wake up means getting out from the sleep, right? నిద్ర నుంచి లేవడం, wake up. దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వ్యతిరేక పదం అంటే నిద్రపోవడం. See, sleep. Sleep means నిద్రపోవడం. See one more example. Lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. What is the opposite word for lovely? Ugly. Ugly means not beautiful. See, lovely means beautiful. Ugly means not beautiful. Okay, right. Day. Day. Night. Night. చూడండి, డే మీన్స్ పగలు. పగలుకు ఆపోజిట్ ఏమి? రాత్రి. రాత్రిని ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమని చెప్తాం? నైట్. అప్, పైన. అప్ మీన్స్ పైన అని అర్థం. డౌన్ మీన్స్ క్రింద. సరిపోయిందా? అప్. అప్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ డౌన్. కమ్, రా అని చెప్పడం. కమ్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడికి రా అని చెప్పడం. దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ గో, వెళ్ళు అని చెప్పడం. నెక్స్ట్, లేట్. లేట్. అర్లీ. అర్లీ. లేట్ మీన్స్ లేట్గా అని అంటాం. అర్లీ మీన్స్ త్వరగా, ఫాస్ట్గా, త్వరగా. లేట్ మీన్స్ స్లోగా, లేట్గా. అర్లీ మీన్స్ త్వరగా, ఫాస్ట్గా. ఎవ్రీవన్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు. నో వన్, ఎవ్వరు కాదు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద యాంటనీమ్స్ we have in our poem Wake Up. యాంటనీమ్స్ని మీరు సెకండ్ స్టాండర్డ్లో, థర్డ్ స్టాండర్డ్లోనే నేర్చేసుకో ఉంటారు నాన్న. యు నో ఆల్రెడీ, మీకు తెలుసును. యాంటనీమ్స్ అంటే ఏమి అనేది మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసును అనమాట. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద యాంటనీమ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ అవర్ poem. Okay, next exercise number 2. Yeah, exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. What is exercise number 2? Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. See, few words are given already. In this exercise, already 5 words are there. We have to select one of these 5 words and we have to yes, put in one, fill in the blank. See children, we have 4 fill in the blank. We have 5 fill in the blanks here. Here we have 5 words. Each fill in the blanks we have to fill with each word, each suitable word. This is exercise number 2. Let's see what comes in the first fill in the blank. It's a dash day. See children, these are all the fill in the blanks taken from our poem Wake Up. It's not out of syllabus. It is in syllabus. Okay? It's a dash day. It's a dash day. What comes in this fill in the blank? See, it's a lovely day. What comes here? Where is lovely in these 5 words? Yeah, Here is lovely. Okay? It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. Oh, please, dash. Oh, please, get up. Where is the word get up? Here is the word get up. See? Get up. And fill in the blank. And again one more fill in the blank. What comes here? And come and play. See, come is here and play is here. And come and play. And come and play. See, the last fill in the blank. The birds are dash in the trees. What the birds do in the trees? They laugh, they dance, they run, or they walk. No. What they do? They sing. The birds are singing in the trees. What comes here? Singing. Singing. This is how we have to do this exercise. I hope you understood this. I am explaining once again. Listen carefully. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Means we have to fill the blanks with suitable words which are already given. See here, already 5 words are given. Already 5 words were given. The answer for these 5 blanks is in these 5 words. In these 5 words we have to pick the suitable word for suitable sentence to fill in the blank. Okay? Do you understand now? Okay, Nana, this is the class for today. And tomorrow we are going to learn 2 more exercises. See, look here. Here, few examples in exercise 2 is given, right? So, you yourself, you have to do it. Oh, okay, Nana? So, this is for today. Write exercise 1 and write exercise 2 in your classwork one time and write 2 times in your homework notebook and practice well, Nana. Meet you tomorrow at the same time. Have a nice day. Thank you.